The stem is there to help you reach the base of your Mooncup for removal. As we're all different, it's designed so that it can be trimmed to the length that's right for you. Before you trim it, make sure you feel confident with positioning and removing your Mooncup. Insert the Mooncup as low as it will comfortably sit. If any of the stem is sticking out of your vagina or causing you discomfort, you'll need to gradually trim it. To do this, first, pinch the base to release the seal and then remove your Mooncup. Trim the stem little by little using a pair of clean scissors and reinsert it. Some people find that they only need to remove a little of the stem. Others remove it completely. And of course, there's everything in between. But remember to take your time, and you should end up with the perfect fit for you. If you're still unsure, get in touch with the friendly Mooncup advice service, and they'll be happy to help.